I also have requested Secretary Lorenzana to make the arrangement because I'm giving up the presidential plane, convert it into a air ambulance, and I want it parked. So, may siguro dalawang Fokker pa dyan. Hayaan mo na yung next president maghanap ng aeroplano na kanya. To convert into mga mamadalian. So you will have about so many planes for the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Total ako, komportable na ako sa PAL, pati itong Cebu Pacific. Matagal namang walang nahulog dyan, so okay na siguro yung mga aeroplano nila. I'm comfortable with just riding commercial flights. Sometimes I can use a jet plane, a small one, kung may panggasolina. I just pay the gasoline, air, pati yung operational cost. So yung lahat na makatulong sa inyo na. And I'm happy to know, after I was briefed that the situation is very good. It was also at par, medyo tabla-tabla yung ratings ninyo with the rest of the